Hi, Chet Bonja here for High University Libraries. This morning I got a question from a student looking for wage statistics and labor statistics for countries in the Middle East. And what I did is I found two sources that can help him with his research, and here's what I did, and here's the resources that can help if you have a similar question down the road. Good luck, and hope this helps with your research. Okay, so one place to look for this kind of information is in a database we have called Europa World Plus, and the student was looking for information about employment statistics in Middle Eastern countries. So I just went to Middle East and North Africa there, and then if you scroll down you can actually see the regions and the countries there. So I just selected one. I did, just to see if the data was there, I did Saudi Arabia. And after poking around in here a little bit, there's a link over here for country statistics, and you think, well, maybe it would be under, those kind of statistics will be under like economy or finance or industry or something like that. It's actually under area and population. And if you scroll way down, here is the economically active population, people employed in a particular area for 2007. Okay, so that's the data that they have there. Now what I did, so that gives you basic data, you know, also other information about the population, that sort of thing. Now what I also did is I said, oh, that's kind of nice, they have the source down here, ILO. Okay, and so what I did then is I went up here and just Googled ILO and came to this page, International Labor Organization, and here is a database called LABORISTA, I guess, LABORISTA, database of labor statistics. So I open that up, and that gives you a lot of different options to look at. Okay, so what I did is I opened this and I went over and did by country and did the same thing for Saudi Arabia, and I just did the basic years there. Did go. And so here we have all kinds of things to look at there. Here's one, total employment by economic activity. I think that's what we're looking for there. We'll view those statistics. And here we have Saudi Arabia, total agriculture, fishing, manufacturing, and here are the numbers on the right hand side. And it even divides it up by men and women. And it's people ages 15 years and over for that particular deal, or particular area of occupation. So one good way to find labor statistics in different countries. Now LABORISTA, I'm not sure what to call that, has a lot of other stuff too. For example, here's some data on wages. You can choose kind of whatever topic you want to down here. So we do wages, and let's say you want to do you know, wages and hours of work, or main statistics, wages by economic activity, manufacturing, things like that. So let's click there, and then it allows us to choose a region. So if we want like the Middle East, I think we want to do Asia. That's going to give us Asian countries, and then the Middle Eastern countries as well. And then go down and do maybe we want wages and manufacturing for a particular date range. We'll just leave it to default there and click go. And once it runs its query, up on the right hand side you can actually view the data there. And so here's the data for all those countries, and if we want Kazakhstan, here is, and look, it's in the actually the native currency there. So you may need to do some currency conversion, but here we have monthly earnings per month for employees in that region. So pretty good resource for finding labor information, wages, number of employed in a particular area for tons of different countries. So hope this helps, and good luck with your research.